Hello, everybody. What is the shimmery occasion? Well, it's silver actually, but not this glittery costume stuff or the silver that we normally think about, especially us ladies when we think about silver, how to wear it, that kind of thing. No, 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 no. I'm talking about precious metal, real money. Oh, you already know the truth about how money actually works, right? Maybe Ron Paul's candidacy got your attention to this. Okay, so just so that we're all on the same page, you know already. If you don't already, then you have a lot of research to do. Get busy. Let's see. You know already that since the 70s, this right here, printed right out of thin air and backed by absolutely nothing. You're watching this, it fell again today, March 13th, 2008. Last time I checked, this was down in value another 1% in a day. It just did this the other day where it tumbled an entire percentage point in a day. And just the other day, for kicks and giggles, oh, and all the wisdom, they decided to flood the market with 200 billion more of these. And then we're going to wonder why the value is going down and what's going on with the stock market. Okay, so you're seeing all of this, right? You're seeing the record highs in oil and gold and foreclosures. That train looks like it's going to continue to gain and gather momentum, and it's starting to concern me because of the conversations that I'm having in the living rooms of my friends and family. So what do you do if you're the average ordinary, maybe the worst case scenario type situation of conversations I'm having way too often? What if your situation is that you've already been out of job for a year, maybe almost? It doesn't even have to be that long, but you know, some folks are in that situation. Your savings have already been drained. Your retirement accounts evaporated. Or there's some I'm talking to that, you know, not to get into all the ins and outs about penalties and rules and that with each individual retirement accounts or 401ks or pensions, but there's a lot of folks that don't have access. They've checked and they can't move that money into something. You know, all they can do basically is sit and watch the value of this turn to dust. What they thought was money turn to absolutely nothing before their very eyes. Well, what can you do? I mean, what do you do? I was excited because I found a program that which even those in the worst case scenario, limited resources, can get involved and get this stuff, silver, back into your hand, back into your life. More than just the knowledge, but actually using this knowledge to really improve or, you know, kind of hedge your situation here. So let's talk about that. The program is, you can find it at http, you know, the double slashes, silversnowball.com/229. Check this out. It is a program that anybody, like I said, even the worst case scenario, minimal resource available to you folks. If that's your situation, you can still get aboard the silver train. You have not missed, you know, the time to get on. And, you know, don't kick yourself. I didn't get in when it was $4 an ounce either. But if you are looking at, you know, here's a little bit of an economics, very basic lesson. Supply and demand economics, okay? Things are valued higher, obviously, when the demand goes up or supply goes down. Well, with silver in particular, we've got some really interesting things that are coming together. And so even this current $20 an ounce price, you're going to, you know, like I said, again, do your own research. I only offer my own opinions. But you'll see when you get into this that even $20 an ounce is the place to get in because it's still got a ways to go. First, most obvious point when you know your history with your economics, silver trends with gold prices. Gold right now is at all-time highs, and silver then, if you look at where it's priced, still has a way to go. So that's point number one. Supply and demand economics. Here's what's going on with silver. As demand is going up, and the reason that this precious metal, the demand for it is going up is not only because of its applications for the industrial type applications, but also because of its technological applications. So as our globe, our world, our earth continues to become more technologically advanced, the demand for this metal not just in our country, but over the world goes up, okay? So there's your demand going up. And at the same time, what's interesting is that the supply for silver is going down, meaning this is precious because it takes effort and labor to mine it from the earth. You can't just make it out of thin air. Okay, and not to get into a spiritual aspect, but man can't make this. Okay, so it will hold its value. Well, what's happening is that the supply, the silver mines, the supply is going down because this metal is used so much more abundantly. And again, do your own research with anything that you're exposed to, but simple law of supply and demand. If you know the environment, a little bit of knowledge behind this metal right now, currently you will see that even with supply and demand, in particularly when we're talking about silver, excuse me, that silver has a huge way to go, even from $20 an ounce that it's currently hovering around. So it's not too late, like I said, to get on board. So this program that I found, again, the website http://silversnowball.com/229. Anybody can get involved in. You'll check it out and you'll see that the even with the minimal resources that you have available, you can put real money into your hand very easily. Opportunity to do it even below spot price of silver. If you don't know about that, again, do some research into that. What I'm saying is it's a very good deal and a very good opportunity for anybody to get involved in, whether your situation is, dire straits, or you're looking at this as an opportunity to actually put real money back into your life. Just something to think about. Again, visit the website and start educating yourself, your friends, and your family about what is coming. Until next time, every cloud has a silver lining. Of course it does.